Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, and this is Circlevin, and I hope you are doing great today. For this video, I'm gonna share to you my travel grooming essentials that I usually bring when I have trips locally or internationally. So kapag meron tayong biyahe, hindi lang yung mga t-shirts, mga shorts, mga underwears ang nakalagay sa ating bag. We need also to consider essentials that could maintain our freshness for us to be able to look clean all the time, and the most important thing is we smell good all the time. So hindi naman tayo kagwapuhan, hindi nga ba? So at least we maintain freshness, cleanliness, and most importantly, we smell good all the time. That's the important thing. So kahit hindi ka gwapo, kahit wala kang masyadong itsura, at least you are acceptable by everybody because you smell good. Kasi kapag hindi, magkakaroon ng impression yung ibang tao, like the foreigners, na mabaho tayo mga Pinoy. So hindi natin gustong mangyari yun. So therefore, we want an impression coming from them that us Filipinos looks good all the time, maintain cleanliness, maintain freshness, and most importantly, we smell good all the time. So before I start digging into this video, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell button for notification, and if you have suggestions, clarifications, and comments, you may write down in the comment section below. So last Thursday, I decided to go to Watson to buy perfume. So pumunta ako ng Watson, bumili ng perfume, pero naisip ko na meron akong trip the next month. So I decided to buy some important essentials that I need for my next month trip. So yun, instead of perfume, medyo napadami yung bili ko. Para at this point of time, wala na akong masyadong isipin for my essentials to be brought to my trip the next month. So ito yung mga pinamili ko. So medyo may kabigatan kasi parang naparami yata yung mga nabili ko. But in this bag, I included some of my essentials na hindi pa ubos. That was my essentials last time when I went to Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand. Kasi hindi pa naubos. Nilagay ko lang dito para during my presentation ngayon, nakukuha ko sila sa isang lalagyan lang. And since I purchased more than 1,000, the cashier offered me this card, this Watson card. Offered me this Watson card. So para in case I will purchase another items sa store nila, they will give me a point. And out of that point, I will be using that for some discounts later. As you can see, this is the card of the Watson. Kaso lang walang pangalan sa ibaba. Just the name of the country, Philippines. So ano nga ba yung mga pinamili ko? And ano nga ba yung mga usual na mga bagay na dinadala ko when I have trips locally or internationally? So isa-isa na natin kunin dito sa bag. So first, I have here cotton. So this is just a simple cotton. So I won't be able to use this one kapag walang toner. This is my toner, Master Whitening Plus with glutathione complex and zero oil deep cleanser. So napansin nyo medyo paubos na kasi I used this one nung last trip ko. The same with this cotton. So my main purpose talaga is for cleansing. I am not particular with the whitening effect of this toner as long as my face will be cleansed. I am thinking of another toner kasi parang hindi ako masyadong hiyang sa Master because when I use this toner, nagkaka-pimple ako. So I am thinking of another toner, siguro L'Oreal or Nivea, for me to test if the toners are okay to my face. Kasi ito, if I use this regularly, nagkaka-pimple ako sa mukha. But since my goal is just to cleanse the face. So okay na din to. So ito yung mga naiwan na mga products ko or essentials ko last time. So since meron pang naiwang liquid sa loob, I could still use this toner. So yun. Okay, next. So, next I have here wet tissue. So this is soft. So soft. Peppermint refreshing wipes. So, ang purpose ko nila sa wet tissue is kapag medyo maalikabok na yung mukha ko and I need to refresh, so I just get one wet tissue, then put it on my face para ma-refresh lang. But hindi ko masyadong ginagamit ito kasi again, nagkaka-pimple ako sa wet tissue. So, I seldom use this one kapag medyo siguro maalikabok na yung lugar and I need to get rid of those dust na kumapit sa mukha ko. So, to the rescue yung wet tissue. So, itong wet tissue, this is very important if you want to be refreshed. Okay, next. I have here this bath mitt. Kasi I don't want to bring baby towel. Kasi kapag baby towel, feeling ko ang bigat dalhin. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi siya mabigat. Isip ko lang yan. Psychologically, napapaisip ako na mabigat siyang dalhin. Especially kapag basa. Mahirap dalhin. But ito, medyo manipis. So since nakita ko to sa Watson, binili ko agad. Kasi manipis and mas convenient dalhin. And napansin ko, you can put your hands sa loob. Then, ibig sabihin nun, mas effective yung paliligo mo gamit nito. Kasi the purpose of this is to eliminate the dead skin na nasa katawan mo. Again, this is new to me, so I purchased this one kasi I think this is more effective compared to just soap and water. Next, I have here shaver. So I bought 2 shavers kapag I want to shave my balbas and I want to shave my bigote and balbas. Kasi medyo madaling kumaba ito. So, bumili ako ng shaver. Okay, next. I have here cotton swabs para mapanatiling malinis yung mga tenga. So, this is also important when you travel to bring cotton swabs. Okay, another thing is ito. This is a nose pore strips. So, and the purpose of this is it instantly removes blackheads and whiteheads, helps clear clogged pores, easy to use, fits just right. So, if you want to eliminate the blackheads and whiteheads in your nose, so you place this one dito, then you just wait for about 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you pull it all, lahat-lahat na nakadikit sa ilong mo. Then from that you will be able to get rid of those blackheads and whiteheads. So it comes with 12 strips and nilalagay ko dito sa may ilong na part in order to eliminate blackheads and whiteheads. So I usually use this during night para mas matipid. Kapag 12 strips, I can use this in 12 days. So yun. Next, I have here toothbrush from Colgate. So I bought the zigzag charcoal. The most important thing is it should be soft. I don't like hard toothbrushes kasi it will irritate my gums. So mas mabuti kapag soft yung brush. So this is zigzag charcoal from Colgate. The next one. So kapag merong toothbrush, merong toothpaste. So medyo contradicting yung products because I use the Colgate toothbrush but I use Pepsodent toothpaste. So yun, I like this Pepsodent because it is more cheaper. The mint is just so strong for Pepsodent. So yun, you need to have toothbrush and toothpaste. So next, so I have here my deodorant. So this is Dopp Men Plus Care, Clean Comfort, Non-Irritant, Anti-Perspirant. So this is my first time using this one, and ginamit ko lang to kahapon. So I am satisfied with the result. So it really controls the sweating of your armpit, and it smells good. It smells good all throughout the day. Since you need to travel and palagi kayong pinagpapawisan, so you need to have protection like this one, which is the deodorant. So yun, this is very important. Okay, next I have this Master Oil Control. This is just facial scrub. Aside from the soap, I also used facial scrub just for a more cleaner face before applying the toner. But I also consider another product like the, again, sinabi ko kanina, like the Nivea or L'Oreal. So yun. So I need to have this facial scrub. Facial scrub. Okay, next. This one. So this is Nivea Men lip balm. So why I need to use lip balm? Kasi my lips will get dry kapag yung humidity sa air is mababa. Especially when you ride airplane, it will make your skin dry, especially your lips. Then if you are on a place that is cold, kapag malamig, so mayroong tendency that your lips will be cracked. So you need to hydrate your lip by using this lip balm. Good. Okay, next is mouthwash. So after brushing your teeth, you need to apply mouthwash. So ito siya, merong promo yung Watson. So I got another mouthwash. So I bought this one mouthwash, then I have free mouthwash. So dalawa sila. But I need also to consider the policy of the airports. It should be 100 ml. So I will not be bringing this one. So isa lang. Kasi mahirap lang. Wala pa naman akong check-in baggage. So all of my belongings are just hand carry. So dapat we need to stick with the policy of the airport. So just 100 ml. Okay, next. This one, L'Oreal Men Expert. The purpose of this is to just hydrate your face. So after applying the toner, you put a little amount of the water dito sa palm mo. You just distribute evenly in your palm, then just tap it in your face. So the purpose of this is just to hydrate your skin or your face. This is energizing powered water, vitamin C plus caffeine, 24 hours hydration, revives and brightens skin. So gusto mong laging fresh tingnan, so apply this one. Next is this floss. Just a reinforcement. Aside from using the toothbrush, mas maigi na you need to use floss para makuha lahat yung mga dumikit in between the teeth. So yun. So this is important. Okay. Another is this one. This Play-Doh from Bench Fix. Just to fix your hair. Kasi minsan yung buko masyadong napaka-messy tingnan. So I need to have this Play-Doh para maayos siya. And lastly, perfume. So perfume, this is Jovan White Musk. This is for women, but I like this one. I like using this one kasi hindi masyadong strong yung amoy. And I think the scent of this is for unisex. It could be for men, it could be for women. I am using this one for already 1 year and I like it. So this is the bottle for Jovan. And I need to consider the policy of the airport when you are just hand carrying a bag. And I will not be bringing all of this. Maghahanap lang ako ng isang bottle na maliit para ma-transfer ko doon yung small amount of perfume. So, para we can still do the hand carrying. So yun, those are my grooming essentials that I usually bring kapag meron akong travel abroad. So I hope you have the idea already. kailangan din natin yun para we maintain freshness, we look clean, and most especially, we smell good. So that's the important thing. So aside from traveling and all, so we need to take care of our personal hygiene. So with that, I will end my video. And before I end this video, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button for notification, and if you have comments, suggestions, clarifications, you may write down in the comment section below. So that's it for today. Bye bye.